Hey, welcome to another episode. I'm Cliff, and in this video, I'm going to be making a new barbecue. A friend of mine has this old barbecue laying around, and he really likes it. It was built by his grandfather. Well, not this one. The original one was built by his grandfather, and this one was a copy. And it's just so old, it needs to be rebuilt again, or something made to look like this and function like this. So if you want to see how this one is built, stay tuned. So, quick update. I know I haven't posted a video in quite some time. I don't do YouTube as a full-time thing. I have a 9-to-5 job. I have general maintenance and needs just like everyone else. And I actually just got done building a PC. I've never built a PC and I've never owned it. I've been learning the program, going from using a tablet, just chilling there, and very limited and very easy to use. Going from a tablet to a PC is a change. There's so much on the PC. I'm getting into the PC world. I'm still in the YouTube thing. I post videos when I can. Sometimes I'll have a hard day at work and all I want to do is come home, eat dinner, and relax. I'm always busy. I'm doing something. Then I have this guy that's just chilling there. I want to work on him, but I got stuff I gotta do. So I'm still making videos. Just bear with me. I'm in a bit of a learning curve. So the guy that owns this barbecue wanted this one rebuilt. Sounded like he wants at least more than one, so I'm gonna do 4. When you build multiples, you kind of get into like a production process, and building more than 1 or 2 kind of brings down the price of all of them, because you can production line it. You can build like 8 of these, 4 of those, 4 of those, 4 of those, and 4 of those. Just pump them out. The first one's going to be a challenge because you got to visually deconstruct what it's going to take to build the first one. And then after that, it's just redoing that and then redoing it again. So where I'm going to start is not here, not with that. I'm going to start here. Now for the plate, he wanted a 1/8. He's like, just use 1/8. But this was made with 1/8, and look where it is now. It's falling apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some 1/4 inch. I'm not gonna buy it from the store. The store is just expensive with steel right now. It's for a new plate of 1/8 is $300. Who knows what 1/4 inch is right now? I didn't even look. I'm like, I have 1/4 inch. If I use 1/4 inch, it's gonna last a long time. Now that I know I'm gonna use 1/4 inch, I got to make a template of one side, because you have 4 sides and then the base. So what I do to get a visual of what I need, I do a cardboard cutout, measure here and here, and then cut it out of cardboard. And that is, all 4 sides are equal. So I just need one of those, and I need to cut it 4 times. And I did the same thing with the base. Probably a little bit bigger, but like I said, I do cardboard cutout so I can see it. So now that I have the templates, I can go ahead and just take one, put it on the material I'm going to be cutting, and then trace it out with my soapstone. There it is. And I still got my template. Easy. So I don't have to measure out each individual square. I can just take the template and trace it. Done. And cut it out of the steel and weld it together. Then I'm going to need legs. The legs, I just take the measurement from there to there. Whatever kind of angle iron I want to use. I'm probably going to use thicker stuff. And then for the brace, probably the same material as the legs or something comparable. Now for the handles, I do not have a brake press. I have a shop press. Like the one over there. I'm going to make a little jig that will help me form it out instead of chopping each individual piece and then welding them together. You know, that's just too much metal. I just want to bend it. I don't have a torch. A lot of welders do, but I don't use it enough. For the tower, it's just some C-channel. And for the grill surface, I'm going to use angle iron. It's pretty much just the picture frame. And then the base for the grill is just another picture frame. So I'm going to go ahead and start with forming these out and cutting the plate. Plate out, you just need a cutoff wheel and a grinder. That's what I use. You can use a plasma, you can use a torch. Like I said, I use what I have or what I can easily get or make. So template, cut them out. 8 of those. Oh, 16 of those. 4 of these. And on my rod, I got to cut those out. Now for the cable, I'm going to use probably some thinner stuff so it will stay more straight. I'm going to use stainless as well. And after all said and done, when these things are built, I'm going to coat them with a 2000 degree ceramic paint so it stays on there. Now instead of doing like they did here, I'm going to go ahead and just do 2 angles instead of the extra 2 that go down. This is going to be thicker material, so it's going to have more strength regardless. It's like they did this because they were using thinner material and they wanted to grab onto a wider surface. So let's go ahead and start.